Just washing the car, as you guys saw. I didn't turn it on. I just pushed the car, and I gotta start it, and the car don't start. So I don't hear the fuel pump. So definitely the fuel issue. Car cranks over and everything perfectly fine. Just isn't turning on. I don't hear the fuel pump at all. So I'm gonna check my fuses, and hopefully it's just like a relay. I mean, even if it's a fuel pump, that Warbo fuel pump is like $80 or something like that. So yeah, if anything, I'll just replace this one. But it's just I have so much going on right now because my daughter's birthday is this week. I have no time to do anything, so it's probably gonna have to be like next week or something. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try to figure this out real quick, guys. Found the issue. It looks like my step down harness has issues. I just moved it, and it actually it just came on right now. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure that out real quick, or just order another one on eBay. Same thing. I think I have another one downstairs actually. I just have to put the wires together. But yeah, I mean the car is on right now, so let's try it again. Let's see what happens. Let me close this. Hold on. Yeah, fuel pump didn't kick on. Yeah, it's like not kicking on, and then when a car kicks on, that's when it like kind of turns on. But when I touch these wires right here, one of these, look. See, it's on now. So yeah, I gotta figure out which one it is because I don't really hear the fuel pump kicking on. I gotta figure out which one it is. So, oh no, I gotta figure out which wire it is exactly. I'm gonna have to probably take my ECU off of the stock position where it's at right now. So I'm gonna have to take it out from there and check the step down somewhere. I'm just letting it. I'm gonna try to let the car warm up a little bit right now because I just turned the car on, so it kind of dies out. But right now it's good, so let me keep trying this to see if the fuel pump kicks on. Yeah, so the fuel pump is kicking on. So there's definitely something in those wires over there. So I'm gonna have to figure out. Maybe it came loose or something, but let's try it real quick. Yeah, fuel pump isn't kicking on again. Yeah, it kicked on now, so definitely something weird going on there. So quick update, Julio's on his way now, so I am going to I'm waiting for the street cleaning to finish real quick so I can actually pull out the car without having to worry about it. And check over the wires. It has to be probably one of my step down wires, or maybe maybe it's a little bit loose, or the wires from the harness actually is probably loose. So at least I know that it's nothing with the fuel pump or fuel related. So the car will still be able to turn on even if like I said, if that was happening to me, I just gotta spray some starter fluid and it'll start just to get some fluid going. But yeah, so definitely something I have to look forward to trying to fix. So I'm actually gonna just wait for Julio and get started. So another thing is I actually want to change this cluster because I don't know if you guys noticed, My cluster is my miles per hour isn't moving until I'm hitting like at least probably like 15 or whatever, and I think it's delayed 10 miles per hour. My cluster is a single cam. I just swapped out the RPM from a single cam to a SI one, and my single cam miles per hour to a SI one. So the motherboard is still an SI. If you guys don't know what motherboard I'm talking about, it's like the back of the. If you look at the back of a cluster, it's like a green board, and you gotta put the screws on. That's still the single cam. The SI one, I'm pretty sure is different, so the miles per hour will read different. So the miles per hour and my shifting everything is like completely like off. It's not on point. It doesn't move. My miles per hour does not move until I'm probably going like 15, and then you just see it go up. So I know it's definitely not moving because I'm already shifting into second, and then it starts moving. So I definitely know it's not correct. So I'm gonna go downstairs and actually grab my single cam one and swap it out. Yes, the SI one looks better. It shows a 140, but the miles per hour is all like fucked up, and I don't know, I'm real picky with it. So but I'm waiting on Julio's ass to come right now. So let's see how long he takes. Wait, hold on. Cleared the inside with the 1K. Thing looks so good. Just gotta do it back there. Look how good this looks. Oh my god. Did the bay also too. About to wash the cars. Boy, Donna's here also. Yeah. Alright, so me and Julio about to go to probably Flushing Meadow Park. Try to get some pictures over there by my dad's job. So yeah. Just seen a rat run across, so yeah, my car is nice and clean. Julio's car is clean. We're gonna go to Flushing and try to get some pictures and see what else happens. So let's see. Look at my miles per hour. I'm going way faster than 30 miles per hour right now. It says I'm going 35 right now. It's literally not. It's not reading right. It's reading like 10 miles per hour lower or something. I know you guys can really see me. I'm like breaking my neck. We was coming to Flushing Meadows, but it's too packed. It's hard to get inside. So we passed by my dad's job for a little bit, hung out with my dad for a little bit. So now we're about to go by Julio's neighborhood, which is Bushwick, which is close to where you grew up at also. And there's like murals on the wall and stuff like that. So we might take some pictures there. And I don't know, it's just gonna be a chill day. We don't really have much to do, so it's gonna be a chill day like back in the day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, we pulled up to the spot right here. It's like graffiti and stuff on all these walls and over there. So I'm gonna try to get some photos. We ain't no photographers or nothing. I know how short they ain't, but so I got the iPhone and this camera. So this alone right here is a picture.
Come in more. Come this way. Turn it. Now go back. Oh, but turn. Turn. The other way. Perfect.
There you go. Yeah, cut it. Now this way. Go forward this way. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Now go back. So he parked up like this right now. We got some nice photos. Came out good. Came out good. Son, what clutch is this?
It's definitely for a truck.
Yeah. Yo, look at the fucking. Yo.
It's the pressure plate.
Ooh, look at the springs.
That's
I
crazy.
just dirty my hand. Is that the fucking thing? That's supposed to be like a flywheel?
I don't know.
Guessing,
Probably like
right?
an extra disc in between.
Yeah, because I mean it has the.
It's like a hyper single. The
It's a
Dolphins.
twin disc.
That's what I said, like a hyper single. It has like 2 pressure plates. Ish.
That's definitely a pressure plate right there. Jesus Christ. Imagine putting that up.
Shit is heavy. Move this shit.
Christ. I got the throw bearing and everything like on it.
Las llantas,
Are you good there? Just stopped to get some pizza in the old neighborhood. It's always a to always be around here when it's a ride bike. Haven't been here in mad long. We in Knickerbocker, so it's been a long, long time. So we're in Julio's back. I'm actually charging my phone now. Julio's over there in front of his house. But yeah, this has been a chill day. We didn't really do too much. I'm exhausted. I've been up since 7. I was at the DMV this morning. So nothing crazy going on today. We just wanted to hang out and chill. You know, tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. She turns 2, so I've been busy. My wife's been busy with like all the birthday stuff, getting all the stuff ready because her birthday's her birthday's tomorrow. We're gonna go to Swiss Pass for her birthday, and then on Saturday we're gonna throw her birthday party. So yeah, it's been a real busy getting all of that done and situated. So I'm literally exhausted. My vacation's literally gonna fly. And today was literally my only day to actually go out and do stuff because we're not too busy. So I wanted to just take like a chill day. But as soon as I get home, I gotta do a lot more stuff. So we just wanted to just chill and just bring some type of vlog to you guys. So guys, just got back home. Just gonna close out the video here. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna continue it. Might continue it putting on some aux beam lights on my CRV, but if I don't, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is basically a cruise chill video with me and Julio, just driving around, having fun, doing pools here and there whenever we could. We might just race later on. I don't know. We don't really care about that shit, so we don't really care to race each other or whatever. But yeah, so we just had a chill day. Wanted to just take pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed this chill vlog. So yeah. Everybody make sure like, share, comment, subscribe, or even subscribe, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload, guys. And until next time, peace. Sorry for my like dead face. I am tired. I've been doing stuff all these days, so apologize guys, but peace.